Welcome back. Now all of your content is going to be available in your all outputs area. One thing you can do in order to keep your content organized is to organize it by project. In this case, we're going to create a new project. We're then going to save the new project. What we can do is to click on top of the content. We can then open that content up in a specific document. We can then save that document. Once that document has been saved, we can highlight it. We can then move the document where we want it to be. And the document will then be in the project folder where we want it to be. Now, there are two aspects of your document in boss mode, and you'll see them here in the right-hand corner. What you can do is you can enable Grammarly. And once Grammarly is enabled, Grammarly will then start to analyze your document for things that you can correct. You're also going to see a plagiarism checker. Now, in order to use the plagiarism checker, this will require a payment for you to use the interface within Jasper.ai. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.